service.
Ha? Hello guys, good afternoon for today's video guys. There is one issue here, PL, this error code. The problem this one is this one drive board. This one driver for the fan motor. So if we trigger this one, coming the PL. So we need to remove this one and need to repair to the workshop of the Agrikapan. It's 5 tons. This one P2. P2 means this drive board is the problem. Okay guys, and I will see later after I will make repair. I will be installing again. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys.